Hey everyone, Billy Foulkes here with MarineMax Houston, and it is hot out here, but I'm on one of the coolest pieces of inventory out of this entire lot out here full of boats. This is a 2023 250 Solaris by Premier Pontoon Boats. Sitting at the helm right now, very nice, unique feature. It has all the switches at thumb's reach right here, like the fancy cars that you see out there. When you're sitting in the seat, you can feel the luxury that is a part of the Premier brand. You need to come out here and feel this and touch it and see it for yourself. If I have a group of people with me, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna walk back here to this Rev Tri-Tune boat. I'm gonna hit this button right here, and I'm gonna swing the booth around. Let's see you guys find that on any of our competition. I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna relax. We got a place for our lunch, for our drinks, and if you're on the market for a boat, in particularly a pontoon boat or a fishing boat, we have you guys covered.